Matthew is now a post-tropical cyclone. It's brought record flooding to North Carolina. Governor Pat McCrory says this could be the worst flooding in the state since Hurricane Floyd in 1999. More than 800 people have been rescued from floodwaters. Matthew has killed 15 people in the U.S. and knocked out power to more than 2 million people.
Check in with meteorologist Angela Huddy. Are we done with Matthew? Is that it?
Matthew is moving out to sea, and the good news with Matthew is it is no longer expected to make that big loop-around turn that would have taken it back to hard-hit the Bahamas and maybe even hard-hit Florida once again. It is moving out to sea. Let's go ahead and give you the very latest on Matthew. Again, as they mentioned, a post-tropical cyclone now moving to the north-northeast at around 15 miles per hour. Winds are still strong. Winds are still at 75 hurricane force winds, but it is out to sea. It is still bringing strong winds and high surf to the Outer Banks. It is also bringing heavy rain up into New England. That rain moving out of New York now, but still heavy rains in Connecticut, Massachusetts, on up into Maine as well. So rain continuing to be a factor. All of this courtesy of Matthew. So has been our nice weather here in St. Louis. Just high clouds, big dome of high pressure behind that hurricane kind of stuck over the area. Those high clouds drifting through the afternoon, looking very, very nice from our Goodwill web camera at Eckert's Farm. As the sun goes down, they even add a little color to the sky there. From our roof camera here in Maryland Heights, temperatures have fallen quickly into the 60s. Already down to 59 in Herman, 63 in Union, 59 Arnold, 62 Scott Air Force Base, and 60 in Salem. We're down to 70 at Lambert Airport now. Humidity 36%, dew point at 42. Winds are currently calm. We'll have a light south to southeast breeze overnight. The high today, for the record, it was 78 degrees. The low was 50 earlier this morning. Up to space again, just the high clouds around. They stick around into the overnight. We're now in a wraparound southerly flow behind this big area of high pressure. Our way will continue to do that into the day tomorrow. So high cloudiness overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. It's cool, but not as cool as we were this morning. That southerly flow really takes hold tomorrow. A push of clouds moves into the St. Louis area. Some rain showers staying off to our west. For us, a partly sunny sky and those warm conditions sticking around. For tonight, high clouds and lows of around 53 degrees here in Metro St. Louis, maybe a degree or two cooler as you get more into the outlying areas. Then for tomorrow, we'll have those partly cloudy skies to start, increasing more of a mostly cloudy sky. It's mild once again, highs in those mid to upper 70s. The rest of your extended outlook, we have well, back to a partly cloudy sky. It is warmer, near 80 degrees on Tuesday. Wednesday, rain and thunderstorms along with a cold front begins to return the fall feel to St. Louis. By Thursday, our highs are only in the mid 60s. Another chance of rain and storms comes in Friday.
Thanks, Ange. When your primetime news source returns tonight.
Vandals hit a University City neighborhood overnight. The damage done and the cleanup now underway.
And the big showdown in the show underway. Less than an hour, we're presidential debate here at Washington University. I'm Shirley Washington. I'll have the latest details for you coming up after the break.
News 11 at 7, your primetime news source.